సాఫ్ట్వేర్ హార్డ్వేర్ కలిసి ఉన్న కోర్స్ ఒకటి ఉందంట మార్వాడి యూనివర్సిటీలో. ఏంటి ఆ కోర్స్?
This course is called Information and Communication Technology, which gives flavors of hardware knowledge as well as software knowledge to all the students. And they are skilled in both required field.
సార్ ఐసీటీ అన్నారు కదా ఇప్పుడు మీరు, ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఐసీటీ అంటే ఏంటి కొంచెం క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా?
The BTech course in ICT, that is Information and Communication Technology, is actually advanced course from the certain colleges which are running electronics and computer engineering. Here in Gujarat, from 2001, Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology has introduced this course with advancement in the earlier version. So in ICT, if you see the students, those are 12th pass out. Many students are confused whether they want to go for computer field or they want to go for ECE, electronics field. They like both or they don't know what better they like, right? So this ICT gives a flavors to them. They learn about a programmable subject in electronics and they learn about programming language in computer. So in first 4 semester, students will go through very basic core subjects of electronics engineering and computer engineering. And from 5th semester, they can tailor their course, they can tailor their credits. So they can go with multiple options. So this is a multi-diversity or you can say multidisciplinary course where students are able to work in a software field, they are able to work in embedded and VLSI field, they are able to work in AI/ML field, they are able to work in cloud and DevOps field.